Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, exponents and powers topic we are going to discuss. So, in our earlier classes, we have learnt about this exponents children. So, if you multiply any integer by itself again and again, like this, minus 5 by 7. Actually, this is not an integer. It's a combination of, it's a ratio of two integers. Minus 5, it's an integer. 7, it's an integer. It's a ratio of two integers. Or if you take only minus 5 is an integer. If we multiply it again and again, then instead of multiplying same number so many times, it can be written in a short form, because minus 5 multiplied by itself one time, second time, third time, four times. So this can be written in short form as minus 5 whole power 4. Minus 5 whole power 4. This is the short form of multiplication of same number by itself so many times. Here 4 times. So this, expressing this long expression as in this short form, minus 5 whole to the power of 4, is called exponential form or power notation. This form is called exponential form or power notation. So for example, 4 into 4 into 4. We have multiplied same number 4 3 times. So the shortcut is 4 cube, 4 to the power of 3. Or minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Same number we are multiplying 5 times. Minus 3 whole power 5. Or if you have 1 by 2 fraction. So 1 by 2, 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 1 by 2. So same fraction we have multiplied 7 times. In short form, we can write it as 1 by 2 whole power 7. Or minus 5 by 7. This is the rational number they have given. With same rational number, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. 4 times we are multiplying. So this can be expressed in short form as minus 5 by 7 whole power 4. Minus 5 by 7 whole power 4. So in this minus 5 by 7 whole power 4, here this minus 5 by 7, the rational number which is multiplied so many times, that number is called as the base. The number which is multiplied so many times, it may be an integer, it may be a fraction, it may be a rational number. Anything which is multiplied by itself so many times is called as a base. So how many times it is multiplied, that will be expressed above the number, that 4, it is called as exponent. That 4 is called as exponent. So this total form is called exponential form. Suppose here 1 by 2 whole power 7. This total expression is called exponential expression. Exponential expression. So normal expression is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, like that 7 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. This is the original expression. But in shortcut, this is expressed as 1 by 2 whole power 7, because 1 by 2 multiplied by itself 7 times. So we can represent it as 1 by 2 whole power 7. So this is called exponential expression. Exponential expression. In that, the number which is multiplied by itself, that number is called base. This 1 by 2 is called base. And how many times it is multiplied by itself? It will be denoted with the help of exponent, which is 7. This 7 here, it is called exponent. So we read it as 1 by 2 whole power 7 or 1 by 2 raised to the power of 7. 1 by 2 raised to the power of 7. So like that we will read an exponential expression. 1 by 2 whole power 7 can be read as 1 by 2 raised to the power of 7. Here minus 5 by 7 raised to the power of 4. Or here 4 raised to the power of 3. Minus 3 raised to the power of 5. 1 by 2 raised to the power of 7. Minus 5 by 7 raised to the power of 4. Like that we can read exponential expressions. Next one. So in general, so for any rational number a and a positive integer n, we define a power n as a into a into a into a into a n times, into a n times. Like that we can define. So a power n means, what does it mean? Here a can be any rational number. A belongs to rational number q. N is a positive integer. N belongs to z plus. If a belongs to rational numbers and n belongs to positive integer, then a power n can be defined as a into a into a into a dash dash into a. So how many times? N times. So n times we have to multiply. So this is the meaning of a power n. So here a power n is called nth power of a. It is called, so nth power of a. Nth power of a, where a is called as base, n is called as exponent, and a power n is read as a raised to the power of n. A raised to the power of n. So rational number a is called base and positive integer n is called exponent. Or exponent is also called as power, and power is also called as index. So in most of the situations, exponent, power and index are used with the same meaning. So now look at the illustration children. So minus 1 whole square, which means minus 1 with same number to be multiplied 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1. So answer we have plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So answer is minus 1. So minus 2 whole power 6. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 6 times we have to multiply. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. On the whole, we will be having plus symbol. 2 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 2 times 16, 16 2 times 32, 32 times 64. On the whole, the value is plus 64. Whereas minus 2 whole power 7, if we do the expansion and if we check the value, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into 7 times. Where minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. On the whole, it will be having minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 times. If you multiply means we will get 128. Minus 128. In the same way, minus 1 by 3 whole power 4 means minus 1 by 3 we have to multiply with itself 4 times. So minus into minus into minus into minus, it will become plus. Numerators we have to multiply 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 plus 1. Denominators 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. If we do the value of minus 1 by 3 whole power 5, we will get minus 1 by 243. Minus 1 by 243. If you observe these values and if you observe these values, So what is the difference here? What is the difference here? Here the exponent is even number, exponent is even number, exponent is even number. If the exponent is even number, if the base is negative, and the exponent is even number, the result always will be positive. The result always will be positive. But when the base is negative and the exponent is odd number, the result always negative. Here -2 negative, 7 odd number, so result negative. -1/3 negative, 5 odd number, result negative. So this we have to keep in mind. Means if a negative number -1 whole square means what does it mean? -1 is a negative number. If a negative number is multiplied by itself, how many times? Even number of times, then the result will be positive. Or if the negative number is multiplied by itself odd number of times, then the result will be negative. Result will be negative. So if it is even number of times, positive. Odd number of times, negative. That we have to keep in mind. So also 5/6 whole cube. 5/6, 5/6, 5/6. Or we can write it as 5 cube by 6 cube. So whenever we have whole cube, we can write them as individual cubes. 5 cube by 6 cube. 125 by 216. So -3/2 whole power 5 means indirectly -3 whole power 5, 2 power 5. -3 whole power 5 value -243, 2 power 5 value 32. 2 power 5 value 32. So in this examples what we have observed, children, so a negative rational number raised to even power is always positive. A negative rational number raised to even power is always positive. A negative rational number raised to odd number, if it is raised to odd number, then the result will be always negative. So the power of -1, when the power of -1 is any even natural number, -1 whole square, -1 whole power 4, -1 whole power 6, any even natural number, then the result always will be 1. Then the result always will be 1. But -1 whole power for any odd natural number, its value always will be equal to -1. Its value always will be equal to -1. So -1 whole power 47 you can take, but the answer is -1. No need to calculate. -1 whole power 193 odd number, -1. -1 whole power 50 even number, answer +1. -1 whole power 376 even number, answer +1. Like that for -1, it may be, if the power is even natural number, then value is 1. If the power is odd natural number, value is -1. For normal one, positive one, power may be even or power may be odd. Power may be even, power may be odd. But always its value equal to 1. Always its value equal to 1. Next, if p/q is any rational number and n is any integer, then p/q whole power n can be written as p power n, separate power for numerator, q power n. So whatever common exponent is there for the rational number, it can be written as individual powers of each element, p power n by q power n. Suppose if we have 5 by 7 whole square, then we can write it as 5 square by 7 square, 25 by 49. So these things we have observed. Let's see some example problems here. Example 1. So express each of the following powers of a rational number as a rational number. So we have first question 2 by 5 whole power 4, power of a rational number. We have a power of a rational number. We have to represent it as a rational number without power. So 2 by 5 whole power 4 means what does it mean? 2 by 5 to be multiplied with 2 by 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can separate numerator, we can multiply numerator separately by, we can multiply denominator separately. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 625. So 2 by 5 is a rational number, 4 is a power. Power of a rational number is also a rational number. 16 by 25 belongs to rational numbers group. Next, 1 minute, children. So next we have minus 3 by 7 whole cube. Minus 3 by 7 whole cube. Minus 3 by 7 to be multiplied by itself 3 times. Numerator minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Numerator we can write separately. Denominator 7 into 7 into 7. So minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Whenever minus is multiplied odd number of times, always minus only will come. If minus is multiplied odd number of times, directly we can keep minus. If minus is multiplied even number of times, we can keep plus 1. Here minus is multiplied odd number of times, that is 3 times. So minus will come. 3 3 times 9, 9 3 times 27. Numerator 27. So 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 49 7 times 343. So minus 27 by 343, it's a rational number. Next one, minus 3 by 4 whole power 4. What does it mean? Minus 3 by 4 to be multiplied by with itself 4 times. Exponent is 4, that's why 4 times. So numerator minus 3 we can multiply 4 times. Denominator 4 we can multiply 4 times. But in numerator part, minus is multiplied 4 times, which is even number of times. So we can keep plus directly. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 256. So answer is 81 by 256. Next line. So example 2, expressed in power notation. 16 by 81. In power notation, we have to express. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which can be written as 2 power 4. 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which can be written as 3 power 4. 2 power 4 by 3 power 4, both numerator and denominator having the same power. So we can make this power as common power for both 2 and 3. But we have to write 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole power 4. That is the power notation form of 16 by 81. Next, minus 27 by 125. Minus 27 can be written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 by 5 into 5 into 5. So which is equal to minus 3 cube by 5 cube or minus 3 by 5 whole cube. Which means if we have p power n by q power n can be written as p by q whole power n. If both numerator and denominator are having the same power, then we can combine numerator and denominator and we can keep the same power as whole power. So minus 1 by 243. But here minus 1, for if it is raised to even power, it will become plus, odd power, it will become minus. So based on denominator position, denominator value, we have to write minus 1 in exponential form. So 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, 3 power 5. So minus 1 also can be written as minus 1 whole power 5, because the value of minus 1 raised to odd natural number is always minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 5 by 3 power 5. This 5 we can write it as a common power. Minus 1 by 3 whole power 5. Like that. Next one. Find the value of a power 6 minus b plus 1 whole cube. This value we have to find when a is 1 by 2, b is minus 3 by 4. So they have given this expression. In the place of a we can keep 1 by 2. In the place of b we can keep minus 3 by 4. So then a power 6 means 1 by 2 whole power 6 minus b plus 1 whole cube means minus 3 by 4 plus 1 whole cube. Like that we can write. So if we expand 1 by 2 whole power 6, 1 power 6 is same 1 only, because 1 raised to any power is always 1. 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2, like that 6 times we have to multiply, minus 3 by 4. This 1 can be written as 1 by 1 whole cube. 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times equals to 64. 1 by 64 minus, here let's take LCM of 4 and 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So 4, 1 is 4, 1 into minus 3. We have to keep in numerator. So 1 4 times 4, 4 into numerator 1. We have to write here 1 into 4. So 1 by 64 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 1 into 4, 4 by 4 whole cube. But 4 minus 3 plus 4 equal to 1. So 1 by 64 as it is. This one after simplification will become 1 by 4 whole cube. So 1 by 64 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 64. So 1 by 64 minus 1 by 64 both gets cancelled. Answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. In this way we can solve the problem, children. Okay, children. Remaining questions we can learn in our next video, children. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for other information regarding previous online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.